To share your screen while in a Google Meet meeting, start by clicking the Share Screen button at the bottom of the screen. You can choose to share a specific Chrome tab, an open application window, or you can share your entire screen if you need to show multiple windows during the meeting. If you want to share audio, such as from a video, toggle the Also Share Audio button before you click Share. When presenting a Google Slides slideshow, you'll have control of the presentation through the Meet tab. In Google Meet, click Start Slideshow to begin. Then use the control panel at the bottom right of the screen to click to the next or previous slide. You can use annotation tools to highlight words, add text boxes, and more. Click the Annotations button to select the tool you'd like to use. To allow participants to annotate your slides, select Let Others Annotate. Then choose the contributors you want to give access to. To remove all annotations, select Clear All from the menu. You can also make someone a co-presenter. Click the three dots on the presentation controls and select Add Co-Presenter. Then, click the three dots next to the participant's name and select Add as Co-Presenter. The co-presenter will have full access to the slideshow controls. To stop presenting, click the Presentation button, then click Stop Presenting. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.